I think you go in the back.
No, you just open the door.
Anything that fits in these bags is $2.50.
$2.50? Okay.
Anything that has the price is half off.
Okay. You want to get a bag too?
Sure.
You can always give it back, you know.
Yeah, you can always give it back.
Thank you.
Which, any certain way we should go? Hey, let's go down here look at the clothes.
Yeah, I mean, this is the toys.
Okay.
And a few appliances. And
We'll keep looking.
yep.
Thank you.
Jewelry's all the way in the back.
Let's take a look at the clothes real quick.
Great.
See if anything stands out. They don't seem like...
Columbia? No.
No. No, I'm looking for... You know what I'm looking for. No. I normally do good with those though. Here, let's look over here for men's extra large real quick. Here, hold this bag up. You can be in charge of the bags.
What jewelry they have?
We can, maybe we will. Let's look at, we're here for another reason. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, I was going to turn it so you could look at the other side.
Here.
Oh my god.
You can open it up some. Go like this with the bag. Yeah, here.
Her sweat.
Yes.
Her sweat.
Oh, wait.
No hat.
Here, let's come over here and look real quick.
Look at this jewelry real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna go up.
These are glass baby bottles? Yeah, and they're old.
It says on there not to be.
Yeah.
So the other thing we could think of was years ago, like the hospitals,
Yeah.
that maybe it came in like free, like this is how it came in for the infants.
Yeah.
We have no idea. I mean, it's so old. They're, yeah. Got it. those aren't part of the
Oh,
bags.
okay. How much are these? How much are the
What do we
CDs?
got here? Just some CDs.
Yeah, a couple.
Give me $2.
Oh, I thought I had some more.
I have change.
No, I got it.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
Here, let me give you a little bag for that. So that
I'll put this in
so
our.
everybody knows you paid for it.
Thank you. Okay, put this in our IKEA bag.
Dad, these are a quarter.
Come on. Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage.
Looking. I'll take it. You can have it for a quarter, but on all the pins will stay.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage from that church rummage sale. That was the third church rummage sale that we hit that day, and it was probably the better of the three, possibly. It may be tied with the first one, but I just filmed the other two haul videos. I'm about to show you what we found in this video, and I realized, man, it is so nice outside. Let's go outside and show you what we found. Okay, starting out over here, we got this, oh my God, Santa shirt. It is a kid's size. Small. Now, my kid may be able to wear this at Christmas time, so we'll see, or it will get sold. Next, we found some women's shirts. Yingling traditional logger shirt, size small. Actually, really nice color. I might see if my wife wants that one. And then we got this Jägermeister size large. So maybe it is a woman's size large, but a Jägermeister size large. Those will end up on Whatnot if my wife does not want them. Then over to these shirts. We got an Apps, a Bakken Lutely. I think it was from 2013. I think it's a size large or XL. We got this TCL Game Time shirt. Nice shirt here. We got this pirate shirt. It's Pirates for Hire. It is from, let me flip it over for you, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It is a size small, but really kind of a cool shirt. But then this awesome shirt here, Bud Light. Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas on a Delta Pro weight, size XL. This will definitely end up on Whatnot. Sorry guys, it's a little windy, but we got a Boston Red Sox Majestic shirt, size XL. Got this cool Sandbridge Beach, Virginia shirt, size XL also. And then this awesome Dallas Cowboy shirt, which has a few minor stains on the front, which could be tears from all the losing seasons, but I'm not 100% sure. But this will also go in the wash, so maybe the stains will actually come out. But we also found some CDs. Now, I didn't check the comps on this one, so I'm not 100% sure, but it is a New Country CD, and it was only available in a New Country magazine. This is the 100 of Best Love Hymns. I usually will pick up CDs like this with church-related stuff because they normally do well. Double check when you find something like this, because 9 times out of 10 you can make some money on these CDs. Then I found these two, which I thought I only grabbed the one. This is from Starbucks from 2008. but they're both sealed. One just sold recently in March, I think for $7 if I remember correctly. We ended up paying for these separately. Somebody else was set up in there, and we paid, I think, $2 for all of these. We ended up spending a grand total of $5 on all the other shirts. It was a $5 fill a bag day, and let me tell you, I did my best to put as many shirts in that little brown bag that's blown across the sidewalk and try to get my money's worth, just because it was pretty picked over, but I wanted to go home with something. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that haul video. Remember, smash that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and also something new that YouTube has rolled out, a super thanks button down below. Maybe consider hitting the super thanks button. But until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.